Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys 2 ways to create knee-high sneakers. So the first way is to get the Mary Janes here and color it white. Then add socks and then color these socks black, so on the third and fourth toggle here. Then you're going to grab these shoes here and you're just going to color the first one black and the rest in white in matte. Then the second one is to grab these shoes here. Hopefully I color it correctly. First color it black and then color the second one white and then black again and then I think black here. Then we're going to grab these boots, and they're not very knee-high actually, but they're like more of a taller Converse. Color it black, and then for the laces we're just going to color it white here and then this part as well, maybe in the matte one. And then we're going to grab some socks here in the high stripe socks. Oops. And we're just going to color it white. So which one is your favorite? I do like the first one a little bit better though, because this one's a little bit awkward from the side, but you know, we work with what we have. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Ooh, I need to recolor something. Okay, so the soles are supposed to be white, but then you can see this part. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!